This is the new Mansory MTM, Audi RS6. This Audi RS6 is tuned by Mansory and MTM. It has a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 with 820 horsepower and 1,167 Nm of torque. The Mansory RS6 goes from 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.9 seconds, the same acceleration of some supercars. Most people say the Audi RS6 is the most beautiful station wagon in the world. But what if this station wagon can reach a top speed of 330 km per hour? What about you guys? Do you think that this is the most beautiful station wagon?